Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So if you are from India, then chances are that either you or at least one of your friends or known ones is definitely using a Xiaomi phone. Whether it's Note 4, Note 5, A1 or some else Xiaomi phone, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that Xiaomi sold a lot of phones. I'm blown away with their huge success right now in India. And I said it like huge because it's really huge. All of their phones are good, but I think that the best MI phone is probably the A series. The top tier specs for the price, and even more important, stock Android, which is really nice upgrade over the MIUI, which I personally don't like. The Mi A phones are part of the Android One program, so they will definitely get Android updates regularly and much sooner than the rest of Mi phones. So now about the Mi A2. You already know that Mi A2 is a rebranded version of the Chinese Mi6X. So we know all the specs of the A2, which I will tell you in a sec. This is the leaked image of the Mi A2, and see this, Mi A2. Yes, Mi-A2 or Mi A2. So you were wrong if you are saying that it can't be Mi A2 because A1 means Android 1 and there is no Android 2 program. And I was all correct, it's indeed Mi A2. Android 8.1.0, the security patch of 5th of May of 2018. This overall design is, what can I say about it? It's similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Earpiece camera and some sensors on the top, and there are no permanent buttons, these are on-screen buttons now. The specs of the A2 are 4 or 6 GB of RAM, 64 or 128 GB of storage depending on your variant, Snapdragon 660, Adreno 512, 12 plus 20 megapixel rear cameras, 20 megapixel front camera, 3010 mAh battery, 5.9 inches Full HD display, protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The phone was also recently spotted on Geekbench with 4 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 660 and Android 8.1. It scores 1630 in single core and 4657 in multi-core. It's almost similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro in Geekbench, and it will get better, as you know it's an unfinished product right now. As per the release date, Xiaomi hasn't provided any official release dates yet, but as per a guess, it might be sometime in August. So yeah guys, this is the very first hands-on image of the Mi A2. Let me know what you think about it. I will cover everything about the Mi A2, so make 100% sure to click that subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you liked it. I will see you all tomorrow.
Peace out, hombre.